This video is going to review a Temu $100 haul. Alright, so Temu has started an influencer program and sent me an invitation to spend $100 with them. So I thought, what the heck? Let's do it for you so you can see what $100 can get you from Temu. This is just some random stuff that I wanted, or thought was interesting. So let's open up this bag and see exactly what that $100 got me. And of course, throw out my disclaimer there. They did send me these products for this video, so you know. Alright, so got me some microfiber towels. I don't know if that'd be a towel. Washcloth, maybe. That'll be good for out in the garage to use cleaning the cars up. And of course, there's links in the description to these products and to my store for Temu. Alright, so next. What was this? Oh, gloves. If you watch my videos, I'm kind of hit and miss on using gloves. I saw that they had the Nitrile gloves there, so I thought I'd give that a shot. I think most of the ones I've been using lately have been rubber, whatever. Vinyl, there we go, vinyl gloves. That looks like a pretty good deal. And next, oh, I'm saving that one. I'm going to save that one for a little bit. So what do we got here? It's heavy. Oh, and by the way, it took about a week to get this in. I'm delayed getting the video out because of, well, stuff happening. But it only took about a week to get this in. Oh, yes. This is something I very much needed. Impact wobbles. Impact swivels. I may or may not have started to do a pinion seal on my Expedition and blown out my non-impact swivel. There's no video posted of it, so there's no evidence. So yeah, if you're going to use an impact, you probably need to get some of these. These look pretty good. I got a little package here that is the 3 major sizes, right? Oops. Quarter, 3/8, and 1/2 inch. I will definitely be using these. So look for them in my upcoming videos. You might see them actually being used. Set that aside. What do we got next? That one I was going to wait for. What was this? Automotive tools. That's always fun. There we go. Oh, okay, I remember now. I shouldn't have opened this one yet because that'll probably tell you what that is. So this is, you're wondering what the heck is that? Man, that's really thin. That's surprising. There we go. That's a panel for when you do paintless dent repair, which is what this kit is over here. I haven't opened yet. So this will shine a light onto your car, and you can see these lines will be reflected onto the car. And so as you do your paintless dent repair, you should see, when we start out, it'll be like that, right? You'll have a big old wave in it. And then as you get through it, hopefully they end up being straight lines to tell you that you did good. Let's go ahead and fire that one up real quick. There we go. there it is. There's that little suction cup so you can mount it to the car while you're working on it. Curious to see how well that works. Oh, it's got variable brightness there. Low, medium, high. Oh yeah. And of course a 10mm ratcheting wrench, because you know it's 10mm. That actually looks fairly legit. Well, yeah, it feels alright. So the old 10mm ratcheting wrench. Throw that in the toolbox. Ah, yes. And wire strippers. So it shows you your different gauge wires that you can strip with it. In millimeters. And what does the AWG stand for? I don't know. Anyway, AWG. Wire strippers. And this right here. For gloves. Ah, yes. The pruning set. Definitely be using these. I've got some peach trees in the backyard that I didn't properly prune. This is the first year that they've produced, and it's killing the limbs. So this will come in handy at least next season. Quite decent quality. I guess that'd be good for like rose bushes or smaller items. That's for the really small items. There we go. These are definitely going to get used a lot. These are actually pretty decent gloves that came with it. I kind of assumed they would be not so great. But those look like pretty decent gloves. I think that was for the, yeah, that was for that. Alright. It's like Christmas time, looking through there, make sure I didn't miss anything. This bag, of course, is for this. Slide that in there. Help protect it. And last but not least, this one I'm hoping to do a video on, and even better, I hope it's a successful video. As I recall, this is the most expensive thing I got, this and the lamp for it. So anyway, here's the paintless dent repair tools. And I have no idea how diverse these are in the paintless dent repair world out there. But this is one of them deals that if you use it once and fix what you're going after, then it's already paid for itself, right? Then every time after that, just kind of bonus. I hope to have a video on this at a future date. Sorry I haven't been putting videos like I normally have been out there. A lot of stuff's been happening, so I've been a little too busy. So there we go. Let's see if I can line it all up here. There we go. There's my $100 Temu haul. like a whole lot to you guys, but again, this is, I think, as I recall, this is the most expensive part of all this, and it took up a third to half of my budget. Well, probably half between that and the light, half my budget. But it's all useful stuff. I got microfiber towels for cleaning the car with, a spare 10mm wrench, which I could use dozens of those, and sockets too would be great. Wire strippers. I seem to lose those things or misplace them all the time. They're randomly somewhere in the house or shed. So grabbed another one of those. And paintless dent repair. And then over here, these right here. Hopefully these hold up. Always use goggles. I should have got me another pair of goggles actually. I always use goggles and using impact stuff because it really was scary when I was stupid and used a chrome one on that rear end, and it just went poof and pieces went everywhere. It was ugly. So these are definitely a must. And so there we go. That's a pretty decent haul. And again, there'll be links down there in the description to the store using my advertiser ID, and I'll have links to all the stuff that I purchased. And then I don't know, maybe give it a shot, see what you think. What do you think? Did I do good? Bad? Put that down in the comments, whatever you think about it. Thank you for watching.
Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please select like down there and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't like it, well, subscribe to the channel, maybe you like the next one. Thank you for watching.